Hello children, good morning to all. In this class we will discuss social studies, lesson 2, Forest and Wildlife of India, exercise D. In our previous class we have discussed workout, lesson 2, exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. Please check out the previous video for the answers of exercise A, B and C. In this class we will discuss exercise D, answer these questions. I request all of you to take out your social studies notebook and write it down in neat and clean handwriting. So let us discuss exercise D, answer these questions. Question 1. Name the types of forests found in India. The answer is the types of forests found in India are tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, mountain forest, thorn forest, tidal forest or mangroves. So these are the different types of forests found in our country, India. All the types of forest found in India are not the same. Next, 2. Which trees are mainly found in evergreen forests? The answer is mahogany, ebony and rosewood are mainly found in evergreen forest. So the trees which are mainly found in tropical evergreen forest are mahogany, ebony, rosewood. These are the trees mainly found in evergreen forest. 3. Where are mountainous forests found in India? Mountainous forests are found in Himalayan mountains and Nilgiri hills. So this should be Nilgiri, Nilgiri. It is not Nilgiri, okay? So please change the spelling of Nilgiri. Nil, it should be Giri. Mountainous forests are found in the Himalayan mountains, means in the northern Himalayas and Nilgiri hills. The Nilgiri hills are in the southern part of India, that is in the state Tamil Nadu. So in Himalayan mountains and Nilgiri hills, mountainous forests are found. Next, 4. Discuss the importance of forest. Forests are important as they provide us with various products like gum, wood, medicine, fuel, furniture, paper, clothing, etc., along with food and shelter to the wildlife. Trees provide oxygen and prevent soil erosion. Why forests are important? Because we get different things, okay? We get different types of products. And which are the products? Like gum. We get gum, wood, medicines, fuel, furniture, paper, clothing, etc. So different products we get from forests. That is why forests are very important. And also forests provide home for the wild animals. Also forests provide food and shelter to the wild animals, to the wildlife. And also we get oxygen from trees. And trees prevent soil erosion. Means it stops the soil from being washed away. The roots of the trees hold the soil. So the trees prevent soil erosion by holding the soil by their roots. Next, 5. Describe the mangrove forest of India. Mangrove forest is also known as tidal forest. Describe the mangrove forest or describe the tidal forest of India. The answer is the mangrove forest or tidal forest are found in the delta region. Trees in this region can grow well both in freshwater and seawater. They are found in the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. The famous Sundari tree, a few ferns, shrubs and palms grow in this forest. Boats are made out of wood of these trees. Animals found in this forest are Royal Bengal tiger, spotted deer, crocodiles, etc. The mangrove forest or known as tidal forest, those are found in the delta region, means in the Sundarban delta. world's largest delta. Where it is found? It is found in the state West Bengal. That is, when the river Ganga and the Brahmaputra joins before draining into Bay of Bengal, they form a large area which is known as delta. They form a large area near the water bodies. And the trees which are found in the delta region, they can grow both in freshwater and seawater. Why? Because the delta areas are connected with the freshwater and also they are connected with the seawater. So they are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. It means that the river Ganga and the Brahmaputra joins and form the Sundarban delta. And also a famous tree is found, it is Sundari tree, and few ferns are found, shrubs and palms. These are some of the trees and plants which are found in mangrove forest or tidal forest. And also the wood of those trees, the wood of the trees which are found in mangrove forest are used to make boats. Boats are made from those wood which are found in the mangrove forest. And which are the animals found in this forest, in mangrove forest? Those are the animals which are mainly found are Royal Bengal tiger, spotted deer and crocodiles. These are some of the animals which are mainly found in mangrove forest. Next, 6. What do you know about the Chippeco Movement? The answer is the Chippeco Movement was first launched in the state of Uttarakhand by the village women in 1973. They hacked the trees to save them from being cut by woodcutter. So, in the year 1973, there was a movement, protest against destroying forest, destroying the forest area. And what was the name of that movement? That was Chippeco Movement. And Chippeco Movement started in which state? In the state of Uttarakhand. By whom? By the village women. Why? To save the trees from being cut by the woodcutter. There were woodcutters who were trying to cut all the trees from the forest. So the village women, they started a Chippeco movement and they hacked all the trees. Why they hacked the trees? They joined their hands and they stood around the trees to save them, to save the trees from being cut by the woodcutter. So this is the Chippeco movement, which took place in the year 1973. Why? To save the forest, to save the trees from the woodcutter. Next, 7. Describe the forests found in the desert regions in India. The answer is thorn forest are mainly found in the desert regions of India in Rajasthan, parts of Haryana and the southern part of Punjab. The trees have sharp thorns and small leaves to prevent loss of water. Kikar, babul, wild palms and cactus are some of the plants found in thorn forest. These plants need long roots for survival, so the roots of these plants spread over a large area to absorb water and minerals. So, describe the forests found in the desert regions in India. What type of forests are found in desert regions in India? That is, the forests which are found in desert regions of India are the thorn forests. The forest is known as thorn forest, and it is mainly found in India. In which region? In Rajasthan and some parts of Haryana and southern part of Punjab. Means it is found in Rajasthan and nearby its surrounding areas. And the trees or plants which grow in thorn forest, they have sharp thorns and their leaves are small. Why they have sharp thorns and why their leaves are small? To prevent loss of water, because in desert area less water is found. So to prevent the water to prevent the loss of water, the trees or plants, they have small leaves. And which are the plants that grows in the desert region in the thorn forest? Those are kikar, babul, wild palms and cactus. These are some of the plants which grows in desert region, that is in thorn forest. And these plants need long roots. The plants which grows in the desert like kikar, babul, wild palms and cactus, they have long roots. Why? Because they need to survive. For their survival, they need long roots. Why they need long roots? They need long roots to spread over a large area so that they can absorb water and minerals. Okay? For absorbing water and minerals, these plants, the plants which grows in desert areas, they have long roots. Their roots are spread over a large area to absorb water and so that they can absorb water and minerals. So dear children, I hope you understood about exercise D. In our next class, we will discuss lesson 3, that is water resources of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.